What gets the love of birds going in a human heart? It's different for every person. For me, it was this plain looking rufous crowned sparrow. I responded to a notice on the department bulletin board at UC Berkeley from a retired chemist looking for help locating its song in the dense chaparral of Tilden Park. I helped him find the bird, joined him and his friends for the annual Audubon Christmas bird count, and was hooked on birding for life. Before you know it, I'm in central Brazil on the scarlet macaw phone. For Karina Newsom, it was a common blue jay encountered on a college field course. Now she's a graduate student at Georgia Southern University, where she studies another plain looking bird, the seaside sparrow, at a field site in Georgia near where Ahmaud Arbery was killed. She organized the first Black Birders Week after a white woman called police on a blackbirder in Central Park. For you, it may be a common bird encountered at a feeder in the backyard, like this house finch. One day, a less common bird shows up, like a black-headed grosbeak. You want to look closer. You find out that right close to home are birds that are adorable or in unexpected places, in flowery spring or stark midwinter. You find that there are local birds like this yellow-billed magpie found only in California and exotic visitors like this garganey from Eurasia. You might be inspired by the story of recovery of the California condor from near extinction. Your journey might take you to far-off lands in search of birds that almost defy belief in their beauty and variety. People love birds for their colors, for their song, for their shapes, for their sizes. Sometimes they just make us smile, like this gull and turkey vulture trying to imitate a bald eagle while they eat a salmon on the American River, or this cheeky little starling in Tanzania. But most of all, especially in this time of confinement, I think we love birds for the freedom they represent. They can fly. As we slow down to observe them, awareness and appreciation of birds can be a spiritual support. They bring us close to people who share their love and knowledge and passion and sheer joy in the natural world. They help us notice and connect with artistic expressions of the avian world. As we explore the world looking for birds, we encounter other wild creatures. To paraphrase T.S. Eliot, we shall not cease from exploring, and the end of all our exploring will be to arrive where we started and know the place and its birds for the first time. Thank you.